Hi there, welcome to the channel, welcome to Blackpool and welcome to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I'm only at the pleasure, aren't I? So yeah, come and join me for a day out at this amazing place, and remember, if you like the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I will see you in a bit. Let's do it, Blackpool Pleasure Beach, yay! Oh my days, I love this place, I'm so excited. Oh. So yeah, just heading in. Doesn't look like the gates are open yet. There's a bit of a queue, not a lot, but yeah, let's have a look. So yeah, got a few people queuing up, not too busy. Fantastic stuff. And the entrance is just under the iconic Noah's Ark. While we've got a bit of time, let's go and check out the merch. Love a bit of merch. So yeah, here's the entrance to the merch shop. So yeah, let's go and have a look what they've got. Fantastic stuff. So you've got a lot of Mr. Funshine stuff here. Oh, so cute. Some really nice Pleasure Beach, Blackpool Pleasure Beach Resort as it is now. Merch here, lovely. Oh, I like that hoodie. And so much merch here, wow. Lots of retro merch there, fantastic. Oh, I love this stuff. Mr. Funshine bags on special. Oh, that's quite cheap actually. Backpack for a tenner. Nice. Loads of hats. Funshine bucket hat for a fiver. Some ride theme merch. There's a Valhalla. Nice stuff. I don't think I'm going to be going on that today. Big one merch here. Lovely. Ooh. Look around the merch shop, fantastic stuff, and as you can see, the queue's getting bigger. So yeah, I actually thought the park opened at 10 today, but it looks like it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, not long to wait now, just a few minutes, and then we're going in. Okay, the queue's moving, they're letting us in, so yeah, let's do it. I'll see you when we get in there. So we got in through security, only took a couple of minutes. The wettest ride in the world. I ain't going on that today, I don't feel like getting wet. I've only ever been on this once, but yeah, it's fantastic. Ace stuff. Got Loki's bar there. Hi Scott, you're right, how you doing? And I've just bumped into Scott from Your Experience Guide. I saw him last time I came here as well. But yeah, thanks for saying hi Scott, fantastic. If you've not checked out their channel, please do it. If you're a rollercoaster and Pleasure Beach enthusiast, get over to Your Experience Guide. Fantastic channel and lovely people. Oh, we've got the flying ships right ahead there. Nice heritage ride here at Blackpool. Fantastic. Talking of heritage rides, here's another one, the Derby Racer. Just kind of a massive carousel, but it's pretty full on. It's like really fast. Oh. Okay, let's crack on. We've got the lovely Alice in Wonderland here. Fantastic. So cute. I love this ride. Amazing stuff. Another heritage ride, as is this round here, the Ghost Train. Fantastic. I've been coming here since I was a little kid and I remember all these from way back. Absolutely amazing stuff. So many happy memories of this place. Check it out, the Ghost Train. Flipping pigeons just come flying out of it. Opens at 11. Most rides open at 11 o'clock. I think the park opens at 11, but they just let us in a bit early today. Yeah, I'm just chilling out with my friends here outside of the Ghost Train. Oh. Look how I feel after last night, I think. Oh, what a night. Oh, blimey. And now I've come riding roller coasters. What's that all about? God, blimey. What a day, though. It's absolutely amazing. Check it. Whoa, such a beautiful day. There's the big one up there. I have just heard, I had a sneaky little listen to a radio when someone walked past saying the big one's going to be open late today. So yeah, I'm not going to rush over to there first thing. So yeah, a bit of inside information. I'll crack on, see what else we can find in this amazing place. Yay! So we've got lots of places to eat and drink here. We've got a chicken shop, bar and cafe, fish and chips. So I'm currently outside of the River Caves, another ride that's being currently reimagined here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. So yeah, currently not open, but it's going to come back bigger and better. Fantastic. Another ride I used to love. I've been on this so many times. Oh, yay, River Caves. Made a few tidal waves on the boat before in there. So just from the River Caves, we've got the classic Big Dipper, a ride that is now over 100 years old. Woo, blimey. It's not a bad ride to do first thing in the morning, this one, because I think they're running on one train at the moment. So yeah. Well, there's the icon going round. Yay! So yeah, there's the Big Dipper going round, just testing that. We're at the top, so it looks like we'll be able to get on it soon. So people are shuffling forward, but we're not actually getting in yet. Soon. The train just pulled into the platform. Looks like we're ready to go. And I think someone's coming opening the queue right now. So I think we're going to be able to get on the first train of the day. Okay, it's the Big Dipper. It's got another 20 minutes to go, so I'm just going to move on and ride something else. Why not? So just heading past the icon now, which is loading in. And the avalanche right next to it. Fantastic. I love the avalanche. It's really full on. And right in front of me here is the Revolution. Wow, check that out. Such an amazing ride. I used to love this when I was a kid, but I just don't like going upside down now. I don't know what it is, I just don't like going upside down, so I don't think I'll be going on. I mean, I might do, but I doubt it very much. But yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic in the sun. Check that out. What a ride. Another one that opened, I think in the 80s. Yeah, I remember it opened. Oh, it can't be the 80s then. I'm too young for that. It must have been like 2000 or something. Okay, so I'm just heading into the avalanche. I think I'll make that my first ride. Why not? It's one of my favourites. Yay! Let's do it. Not much queue, I don't think. Oh, going right above my head. Yay! And around we go. Flipping heck. So the queue's just to here. Not too bad. So I've just been on the avalanche. Wow, that was so cool. I absolutely love that ride. It's pretty full on, but absolutely amazing. Yay! Okay, let's crack on. See what else this wonderful place has got to offer. Just going underneath the Revolution now. I'm going to get a really good view of this going round. Right underneath the track. I'll spin the camera around so you can see. Look how close we are. I think you can go right underneath it actually. So yeah, let's do that now. So yeah, just heading underneath the Revolution now. Okay, we're right underneath the track now. I'm going to stay here until one of the trains comes. Woo! As I said, I'm not going on this today. Okay, here it comes. Get ready. Whoa. Fantastic. So yeah, it's going to do the same thing backwards in a sec. I'll move right underneath like that. Oh my days, this is a bit weird. Here it comes. Oh, blimey. Happy days. Just heard the whistle for the Pleasure Beach Express, so that's on its way now. I'll take a ride later on that one. So just here we've got the Wallace And Gromit Thrill-O-Matic, which used to be the gold mine. And just over here, I don't know if anyone remembers this, there used to be a badge shop. something like all kind of punk and mod and all that sort of badges. Yeah, that was ace. It's one of my first stops when I was a kid going there. So I'm just back in the lower part of the park now, heading towards the Grand National, which is currently under renovation. So yeah, unfortunately we can't ride the Grand National today. Oh, it's one of my favourites too, never mind. There is quite a lot of work being done at the moment at the Pleasure Beach, but yeah, bigger things and better things coming soon. So yeah, I'm just down here again underneath the flying machines. Such a beautiful ride this, lovely heritage ride. And the old ice blast at the back there. The new launch pad, should I say, at the back there. And we've got more merch here. And you can buy ride parts in this one. So just here we've got a lot of old ride parts for sale. Whoa. Bits of the track. Big old bolts. Cool. Wood from the Blue Flyer. Wow. And some wheels. And here's the entrance to Valhalla. I'm getting wet even just stood here. Oh wow. And the Derby racer is rocking right next to us here. Check it out. So I'm just chilling for a bit. I've bought myself a donut, why not? Bit of sugar, it's got to be done, innit? I'll let you have a look. Ooh, the strawberry sprinkle, check that out. Cool, blimey. Wow, really sweet. I have got a sweet tooth. Oh, for those who know me well, you'll know I've got a proper sweet tooth. But yeah, lovely donut, chilling out for a bit, and then we'll have another mooch about. Yay! Oh, I'm loving it. So I've had my donut. Oh, that was delicious. Kate's gonna have a bit of a mooch around, get another couple of rides, and yeah, see what we can see. There's the lift hill for the Grand National. Fantastic. Oh, it's such a shame it's not open today. Oh well, hopefully soon. Okay, so we're on the Wallace And Gromit Thrill-O-Matic. Let's check it out.
Cheese, there's cheese. Could you grease the bag? Did you check the brakes? 60 seconds to go. No crackers, Bobby. Hold on, hold on. And that Tuesday. Oh, that's right enough. Yeah, that's rabbits per minute. Rabbit mother, triple straight on over the He expected Gromit, didn't it? Well done, Chuck.
So yeah, that was the Wallace And Gromit Thrill-O-Matic. Fantastic stuff. Loads of nostalgia vibes for the old gold mine. Oh, but yeah, it was lovely. Such a lovely ride. Really cool. Lovely friendly staff as well. Fantastic stuff. Okay, let's crack on. So yeah, I'm just here in Nickelodeon Land now. Really cute little place. But it also has a couple of woodies here. It's got the Blue Flyer and the Nickelodeon Street, which is the old roller coaster. But yeah, fantastic stuff. The queues aren't too bad, so I'm going to give them a go, I reckon. So I just went on the Blue Flyer. So much fun. A cute little wooden roller coaster. Really, really friendly staff. Loads of fun. That was ace. Okay, let's carry on mooching about. Got a burger place there. Somewhere to get burgers and drinks. All that sort of stuff. And here again, it's the avalanche, what we rode earlier. Oh, it's such a lovely day today. Wow. It was raining quite a bit yesterday, so I'm so glad I chose today to come here. Okay, I'm standing up to the very top of the park now, where the big one is. I haven't seen it go around yet, so I have a feeling it's not running today. Oh. I said earlier I did hear someone walk past the radio saying it's going to be late. So maybe it's going to be open later on, but yeah, I don't know. So yeah, just walking at the side of the big one now. There's no sign of movement there. Oh, blimey. It's not looking good. Carriage is in the station up there. But yeah, I've not seen anything going round at all. And the chain's not running. So yeah, looks like it ain't open today. Okay, so it says the big one is temporarily closed due to high winds. It is pretty windy actually, so yeah, could be the case. Oh, never mind. So we've got a really nice view of the icon here. Wow. Check that out. I love how all the rides are just intertwined at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Cool. Got the big one up there. And we've got the icon right here next to us. You can get so close to tracks here. Here it comes. Perfect timing. And just in front of me are the steps to get up to the Revolution. I would have loved to have gone on this years ago, but I ain't going on it today. I just can't bear going upside down. I don't know what it's all about, but I can't do it. And a lovely view of the Nickelodeon Streak, the old roller coaster, which I can hear coming right now. I'm glad I rode the avalanche when I did. I've just had a look at the queue and it's massive now, right outside. It's only one train as well, so that's going to take a little bit of getting through. Oh, blimey, yay! Good move. Just about to go underneath the Revolution again. So yeah, the Pleasure Beach Express is a wonderful way to get a route around the park, and yeah, you get some lovely views of the coasters and all the rides, so yeah, let's have a look. Choo choo! These look like really nice rooms, the little balconies going on there. Lovely. Nice for the Big Dipper track there, really close. And we're back in the station. Yay, it was a fantastic ride on the Pleasure Beach Express. I hope you enjoyed it too. Yay! So that was my day out at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I've had an amazing time. A few of the rides weren't open, which was sad. I couldn't get on the big one. Oh, never mind. I've had a wonderful time anyway. Yeah, it was great to get back on some of the old nostalgic rides and have a bit of a mooch around, soak in the atmosphere. I always love it here. Oh, fantastic stuff. Remember, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I will see you in a bit. Yay! Bye for now.